Nature is changing every day, and there are many interesting things happening around the world. You wouldn't even believe this if it wasn't recorded on camera. All these mysteries will be in today's video on Yellow TV, 1 in a billion moments in nature. Please subscribe to the channel to see many miracles. Just as the sky was getting ready to show off its latest artwork, Mother Nature decided to go all in with her perfect curve brushstroke. But she didn't stop there. Next, she activated her super efficient dust cleaning mode, sweeping the landscape like a pro. Nature always knows how to surprise us. It's not magic, it's just nature pulling a prank on us. Nope, it's not an alien spaceship or a meteor shower. What you're seeing is just space debris burning up in the atmosphere, putting on a fiery final show before disappearing for good. Ever seen a sunset and storm throw a party together? This video captured that perfect mix of romance and power. Simply stunning. The flood swallowed the only bridge in town, cutting off the connection in a matter of moments. A stark reminder of how powerful and unstoppable nature can be. Mother Nature decided to turn this bridge into a surprise roller coaster. The floodwaters were so strong that they bent the bridge like a toy. Thankfully, no one was on it, but it's a wild reminder of who's really in charge. These snow clouds decided it was time for some mountain fun, sliding down like they're on a natural playground. It's all fun and games until you realize the sheer power behind these gentle-looking avalanches.
Lake coast is fine. The avalanche fell in the north end of
So the lake is going to tidal down.
rise. The water level. That's why I want you out of the lake.
Ouch! Oh my God! Here comes the water.
Springtime is nature's makeover season. As the ice begins to crack and glaciers shed their winter coats, it's like the earth is refreshing its look. These towering ice walls crashing into the water might seem intense, but hey, even glaciers need a little spring cleaning.
Whoa! Wow!
Living by the beach sounds great until Hurricane Idalia decides to rearrange things. Watch as this Florida home on Horseshoe Beach faces the unstoppable power of floodwaters. When nature takes charge, even a sturdy house becomes a sandcastle.
There is a cool little antique yard right here. There she goes.
Look at that! A massive tornado slowly crossing the road in Colorado. It looks like something straight out of a movie, but this is the real deal. This towering twister is showing off some serious power as it moves across the landscape. Remember to keep a safe distance when the weather gets this dramatic.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله هذا أبها المنسك اليوم واحد.
After a massive hailstorm, the streets are now buried in ice, turning a regular commute into a winter wonderland. Except it's not winter. With cars stuck and people shoveling away, it looks like a snow day, but those are all hailstones.
المستشفى عسير.
When a powerful earthquake strikes, quick-thinking folks immediately drop into duck and cover mode, the safest move when the ground starts its unexpected dance. Remember, in moments like these, the smartest thing you can do is get low and take cover, not to bust a move, but to stay safe. When a 7.2 quake hit Taiwan, turned into a real-life shaker. The living room practically redecorated itself. Thankfully, no serious damage. This wave are like a scene from a dramatic movie, with the ocean painting a masterpiece across the horizon. It's as if nature has crafted a living canvas, full of power and beauty. But this is one work of art you definitely want to admire from a safe distance. This flood scene looks like something straight out of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but instead of chocolate, it's a river of muddy water rushing through the streets. Nature sure knows how to make a grand entrance, turning a peaceful town into what feels like a wild water ride. The landslide has transformed the road into a precarious tightrope where one wrong move could send everything crashing down. It's as if this car is daring to perform a mountain balancing act, but it's a stunt no one wants to see go wrong. Forget lightning never strikes the same place twice. This lamppost just set a new record. It's practically the Beyoncé of streetlights. When the clouds look like they're about to surf right into shore, you know Mother Nature is showing off her creative side.